best.
Ang iyang tumong, ginong, kung may natapog ko, nga sa imong pagka-ikaw.
Ang importante lang is ma-share na mga so thankful ni God kay grabe God, di ko imagine nga kaling ibang Diyos ang mabel may tabo ni siya.
Ayaw kalimti, isintro kanunay nga naa kami maginikanan nga nagmahal nimo.
Wa jud lagi sa ligan mabel, adyo kalimti ang Ginoo.
Ako kayo pasalamat naman ito. Hindi siya mas successful kung wala pong tanan na rin. So guys, pwede pa palakpakan ito tanan ito sa Orling.
Take a walk in the park, holding hands in the dark, steal a kiss beneath the stars. My heart beat fast as I looked at you, and I could tell yours was racing too. We fell at once and never looked back. My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make you mine for always. We got caught in the rain, just two kids at the end of May, just trying to figure out what life could hold. See, I don't believe in chance. I think it's the choice we make. Oh, and I choose you for the rest of my days.
Wishing you all the best in life. Stay kind, pretty, and sexy. I wish you the courage to grab all the opportunities that will come by you, and also the perseverance to live your life to the fullest.
Bring you spark joy and satisfaction. May God bless you.
Beautiful and young lady still, and I hope that you will reach your goals.
And so we were in the room, love you as our family. Stay pretty and good always.
Dali na kang strong atong friendship. I just wish you to have more birthdays and good health to you and your family. So thank you for the friendship.
I wish you to have a successful life in the future. May God shower you more blessings. I love you, stay with you.
Here's to another year of experience. I am gonna be your friend always, and I want you all the best you could possibly be. Thank you for the friendship, and once again, happy birthday, girl.
Hello, Belle. Good evening and belated happy birthday. I wish all the best to you and your family. Happy birthday and God bless.
God bless you.
Friendship. Believe me when I say this. I will always be here for you. I love you, Belle. Happy birthday.
I thank God because He gave me a friend like you.
Happy birthday. May you have more birthdays to come, and God bless you, and may God guide you always in your plans in the future.
My love will never fail you. My arms will always save you. I will make you mine. I swear to always fight for us, and I swear no one can touch this love. Oh, I will make
salamat din sa inyong surprise. Wala mo ko naka-express yung mayo, pero thankful yung kayo kay naila-ila mo na sinsukan nga ni eskwela kong college. Karoon pa ko nakasuhay og surprise siya. Thank you kayo. Yeah. Pasalamat po ko sa akong ginikanan kay na always bisag baltita, ganaon ko, budyagon, kuwan. Thank you kayo sa support mo sa mga ninang, ninong. Thank you kayo sa tanan na ubusay pagayoon, inyong paghihatag. Unta dili. Unta dili mo.